We have just acquired this Mercedes C220 CDI AMG Sport. It is in lovely condition. It's got unblemished diamond cut look alloy wheels, finished in I think Tinnerite grey. Boots not being abused. We've got the carpet mats there as well. It's got all the usual extras: electric windows, electric mirrors, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it that way, or fully automatic. It's a half leather interior. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.